What the hell have you got there?
It's my new daily, bro.
What?
Yeah, dude, I just picked it up, 2-stroke.
Where'd you get it?
Craigslist.
What's up, guys? Got Blake here and Joe. Be sure and like and subscribe because Joe brought his new electric bike out today. We're gonna test it, but I tricked him. It's a roast, y'all. We finna roast his ass. We finna roast his ass. Me and Blake, we're gonna roast him. You know, drink a bunch of beer, roast the shit out of him. And Joe's gonna be.
It's a bike roast.
Yeah, we're roasting the bike, not Joe. So don't take it too personal. We're not roasting Joe.
Well, Arash helped me a little bit, so I'm just lucky.
So he threw his boy right under
It's
the
a
bus.
D-wall.
He just took his boy and was like, "Oh, by the way, Arash was in on this too."
Arash did the wiring, which is the part that works. I did all the other shit,
Okay.
which is all zip tied together.
Oh.
I got ratchet straps on there.
That's straight, dude. We don't care. I seen you ripping on it yesterday. That ain't that big a deal. We gotta see it perform before we talk too much.
No, it needs a little bit of work.
It's a 2-stroke though, right?
Yeah,
How can you
it's
tell?
2-stroke. Yeah, it's
a pipe?
He said it's a RM300.
Oh, Suzuki.
We're slapping a fucking expansion chamber on this bitch.
Oh, fake it till you make it kind of thing.
Sorta. Yeah. Look at that.
There we go. That's gonna snap some necks, bro.
Oh yeah.
And that's we're only gonna charge you $350.
You just gained right here.
Yeah, dude, you got much girth here overnight.
A lot, dude. Oh my god, that's nothing but girth.
That's all
Nothing
girth.
but girth.
That's a fat. Instead of the gnarly, that's the FMF girthy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not the fatty.
Not the fatty, the girthy.
This is the mega girth. That's a drag pipe, dude. Yeah, you already put the custom 2-stroke the muffler on there.
Oh my goodness.
2-stroke muffler.
That thing looks wild, bro.
Yeah, I know, dude. Look at the cooling head.
What are you mixing that?
24 volt? Or
24 volt to 32 volts to 1.
Yeah, 32 to 1 volt.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
I'd like to hear it sing, but I guess what? It's out of gas.
A little bit of a tune and.
Oh, he was honest with you at least.
Yeah, and I need to finish hooking the pipe back up. I really haven't figured out where it goes in at.
Race bike.
Yeah, there's no title. It's a race bike. I don't remember.
It's Brett Favre's.
Oh yeah, Farve.
Just going off looks, man. What's your first thoughts there?
It looks like a DeWalt.
What kind of batteries you running, Joe?
It's a China DeWalt.
She got a big old
So
amp
Walt-
in there. She got a big old amplifier.
And how many watts is that amp?
It's a BLDC.
This is our speaker
motor.
guy.
Look, it's got an 8-inch bazooka
It's
tube.
got a 3,000 watt BLDC motor, 72 volt controller,
Look at that.
and a 12
Cigarette
amp hour,
lighter.
or a 23 amp hour lithium ion battery.
How long can you actually ride it?
Full throttle on this thing, you should be able to ride it for about an hour and a half.
So y'all didn't run out of battery
Like a
yesterday.
20-mile radius ish.
Oh shit! Yeah. If you're doing- Heck yeah.
I mean, this thing did 42 miles an hour next to a Russia's truck yesterday.
Holy shit.
And I haven't even put on the new chain and sprocket that came with the motor yet because I want to adjust the brakes and do a couple other things before I go 50 miles an hour.
So who killed your motor mount for you?
I cut it off with a saw. There was actually a bar.
I think rubber's the best.
There was actually a bar that went across the middle.
Yeah.
They had set batteries on, so we had to cut this bar out. And
Who did the icing on
pretty
you?
much it.
It came like that, didn't it? It did. It looked because that blue was on it last time. Yeah, I was gonna say y'all can't do cock work like that.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
beat.
That's a good beat.
It looks like one of my JB welds.
So it looks like you got a new back tire still. That's a telltale sign and not being able to burn them out.
Yeah.
Put it up, prop up against the wall, and do a burn them out.
Let's see.
Well, that's about the weakest pole I got. But oh, here we go! Oh boy! What?
It's faster than I thought it was.
That looks like some braces I had back in high school.
So I just have a feeling that this thing's gonna snap at some point if I
Not
take
if you
it,
just
if I take
chill.
it off road.
But don't be bunny hopping it. Don't be curb.
It has to be more of a scooter.
Dude, have you tossed it off a curb yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It
How
did
fast?
not like it very well. I was probably like maybe 10 miles an hour though.
And fucking dunk or you laying front end first?
There's like no give. In the
Well, we
first
can
shot.
rebuild that front end for you, dog. So what about? Don't lie. How much you pay? How much you got in it?
Total. Well, so the first time.
Oh, he's lying already.
I'm not even
I tried
lying.
that.
So the first time I bought the motor kit, the controller didn't come with any instructions, and it had 2 extra wires.
Mistakes count.
Yeah, mistakes count. So like I said, that was a $300
He's trying to say that
mistake.
500 didn't count,
That
y'all.
was a $300 mistake.
Okay.
And then I ordered the kit from Amazon, which I got recently, and it came with everything, plug and play, way to go. So total into it, I'm about $1,200 in,
But it would have been 9.
including the bike.
But it would have been 9.
It would have been 9.
How you feel about that? It's pretty fun at the park. I seen you at the park. I bet it'd be
Yeah.
fun as shit. On sidewalks and living in Arlington, I bet it's fun
I
as
mean,
shit.
considering you can work on it in your house, it doesn't stink it up with gas, and you
And
can
it's
throw it in
quiet.
the back of your car, and you can just charge it up. It's pretty cool. I wish I had better suspension. Like, probably once this frame breaks, I'm gonna put it on a better platform. You know.
Hell yeah, dude. We'll see here in a minute. Blake's getting something. Joe says 42, so we got to get something Blake can keep up on.
Yeah, hopefully that runs good.
How much gas in that Z50, Davis? The one you want to ride it real quick? Let's go mob the neighborhood so we can
The strap.
we can see what this. He said 42 miles an hour, bro. Hey, what? Hey, he said uphill, but it wasn't like this. It was like it was upside. Hey, to be fair, it was up sidewalk. Show him the burnout.
Like a fund me on right now?
We
You
got
got power through it.
It's two stroke.
Nicola.
How about I wears that, you wears this?
What? I can't see with that on, dude.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, sure.
Why? What's up with the helmet? What do you need a helmet for?
Put my other GoPro on it.
Why can't you put it on my mask? You got a suction cup on it or what?
Yeah, you could just suck the back of it the whole time.
Hold it in your mouth.
Yeah.
The brakes don't work that well, so be careful.
I might
If I'm coming in hot, dude, move out of the way.
Oh my gosh.
Sick.
Oh my gosh. Jesus. Would you want to? Do you go to church like that?
No, but I did go past my son's bus like this yesterday.
That's a sex mask.
Yeah. Wow. I need that in the van, dude. People would for sure think I'm picking up kids.
It's all you, dog. It's not even that wet on the inside. I got you the biggest one.
Look at it. You don't have to strip.
Nice, dude. I like that. Sounds eco-friendly.
Hey, it's pretty quick. That's pretty quick. Dibs.
Yeah, you win. I don't want to hit something that doesn't come through.
So we can see this thing fucking full of. Hey, y'all need to let me do this. Let me come from up there, and I'll pass y'all, getting it, and then y'all just fucking smoke by me. You're gonna blow it up, but go for it. We'll get you on camera. First one to, oh, here comes the Amazon lady. First. Oh, you want a good old This one to catch that cat wins. See it? Whoever gets the cat. Alright guys, thanks much for the honest.
I forgot I had a brake switch.
We'll try that again.
I forgot I had a brake switch.
Joe can't even shift that automatic, y'all.
Yeah.
So good luck winning the race if you can't shift.
I forgot I was on the brakes too, and it has like a switch that turns it off, so it takes a second.
Alright,
Without the switch.
On Dave, when David passes that first mailbox, you hit it. Ready boys? Yeah. Go for it. Bob and weave on your ass. Hey, Putz. Let's go make America great again real quick. We're gonna go make America great.
Going to do hood rat shit.
You still got your mask and your cigarettes? Come on.
We shouldn't even came over here. I knew this was a bad idea.
I knew this was a bad idea. I lost all traction back here.
Oh shit!
Oh, no! Is that Tom's jump, dude?
I'll just swing up there. I'll box him, dude. I'll run that shit. You think they're home?
Hey, Blake said he's the only rooster around here, and to go back, that turkey's got another
That
thing
turkey,
coming.
I'm gonna show that turkey why they call it a turkey.
Blake said he wants to go square up with it. How's it? Yeah, you better. Damn. Now, he was with this chick, so he's gonna be fucking fighting mad, and he had a mullet, dude. So, get hype, get hype, get hype, get hype. Joe, you got us back. Get hype.
I'm getting ready.
Start scratching it.
What?
We got the cat. We got the cat. We need it.
Damn, he's mad, dude. There's a whole litter of them, too.
Gang signs.
Ready to jack you up. Look how pretty they are. So Blake won't get out of the car now, guys. We got, oh shit, this one's coming up.
That was Queen Gobble right there. What?
Did you see the cow at Red River that we seen? Hey, I talked to them, y'all. It was a big misunderstanding.
Yeah, to be honest.
They were cool.
God dang.
It was a good little scrap. People were
He
home.
ended up knowing my cousin, you know?
Yes!
He was my cousin. That was my cousin. We half the family.
Step on it, just chasing us.
Dude, half the family plugs for me. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, Davis. Oh, I drifted it up in here.
Huh?
I said I drifted it in here, dog.
I bet y'all
Blake
did.
got into a fight with some turkeys.
About 4 of them.
Tried.
Shit.
They were cousins, he said, so. A little torque, huh?